Alright, magandang araw po sa inyo. Welcome dito sa ating Primeway Venture Incorporated. So in behalf of the person na nag-share sa inyo ng recorded video presentation na ito, I will welcome po kita sa Primeway presentation. And just simply focus on this presentation. It's para mas maintindihan niyo po ang opportunity, the potential of our business. Alright, so before we start, ay isa munang disclaimer na this presentation ay para educational and information purpose only to show the income potential of Primeway Venture Compensation Plan. So there will are no guarantees na ang makikita ninyo or the projected income stated on this presentation ay inyo ding magiging income. Ang inyong resulta will be based on your individual effort, work ethic, and personal dedication in building the business. All right? So, that's had been said. So, ang Primeway po ngayon ay nasa pre-launch or pioneering stage. So, you can take advantage of the law of the first. So, napakalaking bentahe po pag tayo nauna sa ganitong industry. Alright? So, ano po ba ang Primeway Venture? Ang Primeway Venture is a membership e-commerce platform with hybrid affiliate program. Again, isa pala siyang membership e-commerce platform with hybrid affiliate program. So it's a SEC-registered company and you can shop and earn. Once you become a member, you can access the PrimeWave Members Online Store with unique product rebate system. So napakaganda po yung kanyang rebate system, ano? And you can build residual income mula sa hybrid affiliate reward program which pays unlimited bonuses. And of course, the company provided us the system and tools, and we can follow our proven system and use the tools, online marketing tools like splash page and videos na maaari niyong gamitin to do the presentations and the sales and the duplication for you 24/7, all right? And this is a very sustainable plan. So this is designed for long-term program with real time and no overpayment of commissions. All right? So ang company po ay may guiding principle na tinatawag kung saan ang kanyang mga desisyon at mga action ay laging nakatuon sa members' prosperity dahil yun ang kanilang top priority. And ang kanilang mission ay mapagbigay sa mga tao ng isang revolutionary, makabago, sustainable, and easy to earn online opportunity. So it's an online opportunity, no? And of course, yung vision niya ay makapag-produce ng mga malaking community with extraordinary people earning extraordinary income or mga result-oriented. Alright? Now, ano po ba ang mga business advantages? So, ito po ay low entry, pangmasa, 100% value for your money ang matatanggap yung product. So, walang risk and with huge income potential. And ang pay plan naman nito ay nagpe-pay up to infinity ang lalim and up to infinite with ang mga bonuses na pwede nyo tanggapin. Pero walang bangga-bangga or no pairing, no left, right, hindi siya binary. No commissionable value kayong babantayan, walang business volume na kailangang i-hit, walang ranking na hahabulin, at lalong malang no monthly maintenance. You required monthly mag-purchase. And you can earn 100% matching bonuses from your referrals income. Ibig sabihin po, kung magkano ang income na inyong referrals, you will earn as your matching bonus. That's the matching. Hindi po yan pairing or bangga. Matching bonuses is the income of your referrals. Ni match ng company 100%. Number 4, we have automated reactivation. Hindi na kayo maglalabas. Walang subscription pero nag-auto reactivate ang account para po redundant, paulit-ulit ang income natin sa ating organization. And you can earn residual. Yung inyong trabaho ngayon, later on, tuloy-tuloy na magbibigay sa inyo ng income that's residual at passive naman pag kayo ay nag-qualify sa global bonus pool. Dahil sa global bonus pool, sa benta ng company ay may share kayong matatanggap. Alright? So, Ano po ba ang product ng company? This is the main product ng company, a New Life barley. It's 100% pure organic barley. It's in canister and manufactured and imported from Australia. It's 105 grams. Sabi nga ng mga nakatikim, mas masarap sa mga existing barley in the market, and pag pinag-usapan naman ang presyo, laking mura po natin. Mas makakatipid kayo kung ito na ang inyong gagamitin. O kaya mag-change brand lang po kayo kung kayo ay barley user na. Alright? So, ano po ba ang mga benepisyo or health benefit ng barley? Hindi ko na isa-isahin dahil to make this presentation shorter, but you can visit the official US government website kung saan po namin kinuha itong mga functional ingredients. Bakit siya magaling sa diabetes, sa cancer, sa lahat halos ng sakit. Nandito yung link sa US government website, sa official government US website. So, I'm not gonna discuss the health benefit because I'm sure marami na kayong naririnig dito or maybe gumagamit na kayo ng barley. Alright? So, let's go to the compensation plan or the business side of the kung saan tayo kikita sa Prime Wave Venture. Now, how to get started? Paano ba magsimula? Free registration po. You can register for free doon sa ating website. Just simply ask for the link of the person na nag-share sa inyo. Dahil doon po sa ating website, may mga presentation na din and pwede na kayo mag-sign up for free. And next step is to purchase a joining package or upgrade package worth $67 or $3,990. Tayo po ay in dollar denomination dahil ang platform po natin ay ready for global expansion, and the platform accept USDT or cryptocurrency. And ang kagandahan po, pwede din po kayo mag-purchase ng activation pins or pins na worth $3,990 po. $67 is $3,990. Makakatanggap na po kayo ng 2 canister of our barley. So that's 100% value for your money dahil ang SRP po nito ay $33.50 or sa pesos ay 1,995 pesos per canister. So once you become a member, the next purchase nyo na po, once you become a member, may discount na po ang distributor's price or a member's price ay $20 na lang, which is 1,180 pesos. So if you will sell this barley, magkakaroon kayo ng retail profit of $13.50 or 815 pesos. So yan po ang ginansya or ang inyong retail profit pag kayo ay nagbenta. By the way, ito pong ating package is free shipping nationwide. So the company will ship the package to your doorstep nationwide for free. So dahil nga e-commerce platform tayo, free shipping po ang ating product nationwide. Again, free shipping, that's $3,990. You can start your business para lang po kayong bumili ng 2 canister of product that is the investment for your health, and there's a business attached to it. Now, let's talk about the business, how you can earn. Of course, but before that, let's talk about the market comparison. Sa presyo, nabanggit ko na, mas mura tayo. Dahil ang isang canister natin ay merong 105 grams at ang SRP niya ay 1,995. Kung i-divide nyo ang 1,995 by 105 grams, lalabas po na 19 pesos per gram. Magkano po ba nasa market? Yung other brands po ay nakabox. Usually yan, ang nakabox siya 30 grams or dahil 10 sachet ang isang box nila at 3 grams per sachet. So total is 30 grams per sachet. Ang bentahan nila ay 1,000 pesos. So lumalabas na 33 pesos, 33.33 pesos per gram. So we are more mas mura po tayo ng 43% or 43% more expensive ang nasa market na nasa box. Ibig sabihin, we get 2 times value for your money. Nakasave na kayo and there's a business attached to it. Mas masarap pa yung ating barley compared with other barley. That's the feedback of the market yung mga nakatikim, ano? Now, here's our affiliate program or the compensation plan, reward program. Meron tayong 3 pay plan na working simultaneously. Okay? Ang unang pay plan ay ang Powerline Pay Plan. Sa Powerline Pay Plan, meron tayong tatlong ways to earn. Unang-una, yung referral bonus, yung Powerline bonus, and the 100% matching bonus. Ibig sabihin, ng 100% matching bonus, kung magkano kinikita ng inyong referral sa Powerline bonus, ay tatanggapin nyo din as 100% matching bonus. Again, kung magkano income ng inyong referral sa Powerline bonus, yan ay income nyo as your matching bonus aside sa inyong Powerline bonus and referral bonus. Number 2 na compensation plan, meron tayong 2x14 Team Force Matrix Pay Plan. Meron tatlo ding ways to earn. Una-una, yung matrix bonus and the 100% matching bonus, and you can get a fully paid brand new car as your incentive, no? Dito po sa matching bonus, kung magkano ang kinikita ng inyong referral sa matrix bonus ay income nyo din as your matching bonus. Of course, meron ka sariling matching matrix bonus, natatanggap naman ang sponsor nyo ng 100%. Ibig sabihin, kung magkano kinikita ng referrals mo sa matrix bonus, tatanggapin mo din as 100% matching bonus. So yan po ang ating pangalawang kitaan. At yung atin namang kitaan sa pag-purchase sa ating online store, meron tayong tinatawag na progressing 2x4 Team Force Matrix kung saan may matrix bonus din na kayong matatanggap at 100% uli na matching bonus. Ibig sabihin kung magkano income ng referrals mo sa online store matrix bonus, ay income mo din as your matching bonus. Plus, meron po tayong global bonus pool for the selected na talaga mag-i-excel sa business. Pwede kayo makahati sa profit ng company sa global pool bonus. Alright? Now, himayin po natin, ano? So, pag-usapan po natin yung power line. So, sa power line, kailangan nyo po mag-refer dito, mag-invite. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is to take the product, mag-take po kayo ng product, bumili, mag-take ng product, active kwento. I-share nyo yung product, and once na bumili din po, nagkaroon kayo ng at least 4. We highly recommend at least 4 lang ang inyong referrals, but that is not the limit. You can refer as much as you do. Because meron po tayong tinatawag na compensation plan kung saan meron kang $20 na matatanggap sa inyong ni-refer except the second and fourth. Tandaan po natin, meron tayong $20 referral bonus. Ibig sabihin, sa halagang $3,990 or $67 na binili ng inyong referrals na product, may $20 kayong tubo, which is 1,180 agad yan. Again, sa $3,990 na binili ng inyong na-refer, meron kayong 1,180. That's around 30%. Napakalaki pong referral bonus niyan, 30%. The usual sa industry ay 10% lang. Now, ang inyong referrals simula sa pang-5, 6, 7, 8, 10, lahat yan ay $20 na mapupunta sa inyo. Except the second and the fourth. Bakit tayo walang referral sa second and the fourth? Dahil dyan po manggagaling ang ating power line bonus at yung matching bonus which goes down to infinity. Don't you worry po, makita pa rin po tayo sa 2 and 4. Mamaya makikita niyo po. So, unlimited referral na $20 and $20. So, parang dalawang araw na basic salary ng pandalawang araw na yan, 1,180. Isa lang ang benta nyo. Alright? So, let's talk about the power line bonus. Yung pangalawang kitaan sa power line. Ang power line bonus ay $10 bonus mula sa second and fourth referrals ng iyong power line team down to infinity. Ang tanong, sino ang mga power line team nyo? Ang power line team nyo ay yung number 1, lahat ng inyong referrals except the 2 and 4. Again, ang power line team nyo ay inyong referrals except the 2 and 4. Pag nag-refer, lahat ng referrals nyo except meron kayong meron silang second and fourth referrals, meron kayong powerline bonus dyan na $10. Ibig sabihin, may $10 kayo sa second and fourth. At pag nag-refer yung number 2 nila ay may ng 2 at 4 at 2 at 4, lahat yan ay $10. Tandaan nyo po, yung second and the fourth referral ng second and fourth ng inyong powerline team is $10 kayo, down to infinity po yan. So the more referrals you have, the more $10 you will earn. So ganito po yan, no? To simplify, sa apat po, at least, halimbawa may apat kayo, may $40 direct referral kayo, at yung number 1, nag-refer ng apat mula sa second and fourth niya, referrals niya, ay may $10 kayo. Right? Si number 3, nag-refer din ng apat, dahil powerline team mo si number 3, yung 2 at 4 niyan ay may $10 ka. Alright? That's the powerline bonus. So yung 2 at 4 nila at 2 at 4, nag-refer yan, ibig sabihin, yung second and fourth referrals ng 2 at 4 ay may $10 ka din. That's the third generation na din, no? So sa fourth generation, lahat na nasa third level nyo, yung second and fourth, pag nag-refer yan, ng second and fourth referrals nila ay $10 kayo. And this goes down to infinity. Right? Napakaganda po, ano? So this powerline bonus is unlimited $10. That's the powerline bonus. Now, habang tumatanggap po kayo ng powerline bonus kahit sa isang line lang, dito po hindi kailangan magbangga, kahit isa lang po ang na-refer nyo at nag-duplicate yung 2 at 4 at 2 at 4 ng first referral nyo, ay pwede kayong tumanggap ng up to, ng $10 and to infinity. Si number 3, ganun din. So $10 and $10, yung second and fourth. It goes down to infinity. Itong pinakitang computation is to the 10th level lang, but this income goes to infinity. Now, pag-usapan natin yung powerline matching bonus. Yung sponsor nyo or kayo, habang kumikita kayo ng powerline bonus, yung sponsor nyo ay tumatanggap din ng matching bonus. Ibig sabihin, kung ang referrals nyo tumatanggap ng matching powerline bonus, kayo ay may matching bonus. Ibig sabihin, the same way, halimbawa, kayo ito, kumita kayo ng $20,000 sa power bonus nyo, ang inyong sponsor ay kumita din ng $20,000 as powerline matching bonus. Alright? So, ganun po tumatakbo, no? So, what will you get or what will you gain from your second and fourth direct referral? Tandaan po natin, kanina, hindi tayo tumanggap ng $20. Di ba? Dahil kailangan yun sa power line at sa matching bonus. Anyway, ganito po yan. Yung second and fourth referrals nyo ay maaaring kumita din, ay kikita din ng kanilang power line bonus. So every time na kumikita si number 2 at si number 4 referrals nyo ng power line bonus, ikaw ay may matching bonus na natatanggap din. And hindi lang mula sa second and fourth. Tandaan nyo, lahat ng inyong referrals, including the second and fourth. So, hindi nawala sa inyo si second and fourth. This is the genealogy ng power line. So, dito lahat sa genealogy sa power line, manggagaling lahat from your referrals. And this people ay automatically or simultaneously na-structure naman sa pangalawang kitaan, yung 2 by 14 team force. So, dito naman sa ating 2 by 14, auto spillover to or auto placement, kung saan titingnan na ng system kung saan yung bakante, no? So, dito po nagkakaroon ng spillover, kaya maaari kayong kumita kahit walang referrals dito sa ating matrix ng matrix bonus sa bawat activation sa tao sa ilalim ng inyong organization, mayroon kayong 0.65. So, kaya 2 by 14, this is by 2s up to the 14th level. Ibig sabihin, may 2 sa first level nyo, 4 sa second level, 8 sa third level, and pag ito ay napupuno, yung mga susunod na papasok ay may spillover lang kung saan yung bakante from top to bottom, left to right. Sa level 1, meron kang 0.65 bawat isa, kaya meron kang income na 1.30. Sa second level, ay 2.60 na dahil 0.65 times 4, 260, and so on and so forth. The good news is, kung magkano income mo or income ng referrals mo, meron din tayong matching bonus. Magkano? 100%. Ibig sabihin, kung magkano ang income ng inyong referrals dito sa matrix, ay income nyo din as matching bonus. Magkano ang potential na pwedeng kitain sa 2x14 pag napuno po ito? Ang potential na pwedeng kitain pag nakompleto ay 21,297. So that's $1.2 million. That's the matrix bonus pag napuno nyo ang inyong matrix up to the 14th level. Plus, di ba, meron pa tayong 100% matching bonus mula po sa referrals matrix bonus. Ibig sabihin po, bawat referrals nyo, maaaring kumita ng 21,000, ang matching bonus nyo ay 21,000 din. Plus, meron pa po yung plus. Dahil pag napuno po, meron tayong car incentive. Doon nyo po matatanggap yung car incentive. Kung ayaw nyo naman po ng car, maaari nyo tanggapin ang 20,000 US dollar in cash. Alright? Optional po. Ano? So that's how the 2x14 matrix works at its potential. Now, pagsamahin po natin, assuming nagkaroon kayo nag-multiple accounts kayo, no? Pwede po kasi dito mag-multiple accounts, 3 accounts. Ibig sabihin, bumili ka ng 3 package or 6 na barley. So, yung number 2 at number 3, ay sponsor ng 01 nyo. So, ang potential nito, pag napuno ang matrix, yung number 1 nyo ay kumita ng 21,000 plus, and your number 2 and your number 3. So may kanya-kanyang matrix bonus. Now, aside from that, may matrix completion incentive. Si number 1 na isang sasakyan, at si number 2 at si number 3. Alright? So kung ayaw nyo naman tanggapin ang sasakyan, meron kayong 20,000, 20,000 each. So that's how much na po ang pwede nyong makita. Kinita mula sa 3990 accounts na binil nyo. Tandaan po natin, meron tayong matching bonus. Sino ang sponsor na number 2 at number 3? Di ba? Si number 1. So, ibig sabihin, yung account number 1 nyo ay tatanggap ng dalawang 21,000 dahil sa matching bonuses niya kay number 2 at number 3. So, magkano ang pwede nyo kitain if your 3 accounts na kumpleto? That's 106,000. Hindi pa po pinag-usapan dyan yung Powerline plan at yung matching bonuses sa ibang referrals nyo. So, yan po yung potential, ano? Now, pagsamahin po natin, combined income, assuming up to the 4th level, no, nagkaroon ng duplication of 14 sa power line nyo at isang matching bonus. Isang matching bonus lang po ang kwenta dito, ano? At pati sa Team Force matrix, sa ating 2x14 matrix, na puno ninyo, at isang matching bonus din ang kwenta, ang in-add-on, para hindi na nakakalula, no? So that's the numbers na lalabas. 697,000 or 39,000 pesos, no? So that's a huge income potential. Isang account lang yan na nag-duplicate up to the 14th level, no? So numbers don't lie po. The system is already working. All you have to do is to take advantage of it. Plus, meron pang incentive na 20,000 or a brand new car. So that's how powerful our compensation plan mula sa 3990 na ibinili ninyo na isang quality, high quality product na mas mura kaysa sa market. Alright? Now, gusto mo maging kamay-ari or parang profit shareholder ka or parang isa ka sa may-ari dahil tatanggap ka ng share mula sa profit ng company or from the Global Bonus Pool Program. Ang Global Bonus Pool, kailangan mo lang maging Prime Movers Club. Tandaan nyo, 100 members lang ang pwedeng mag-qualify sa Prime Movers Club, hanggang 100. Paano mag-qualify? Kailangan mo lang kumuha ng at least meron kang referrals na 4 at yung 4 ay may tig-4 na referrals din. Tandaan nyo, may 4 kang referrals na yung 4 na yun may tig-4 din, you have to comply within the first 30 days starting on the day you upgrade your account. So, achievable po yan. Madami na naka-achieve. So, ang kailangan lang ay magkaroon ng 4 na direct at yung 4 na yon ay magkaroon din ng tiga-4 within 30 days. So, kasama ka na. So, paano kikita? Dito po, nag-allocate ang company ng 3% mula sa activation, mula sa packages na binibili at sa auto reactivation, may $2 or 3% na pupunta sa activation or sa global pool. Ibig sabihin, assuming, sample computation tayo, meron tayong 15,000 activation and auto reactivation na nangyari in 3 months every quarter at merong 100 Prime Movers Club members. So, 15,000 times $2 each, that's $30,000 na paghahatian ng 100 members, that's 300 global bonus pool. That's add on top of your income mula sa Powerline at sa Prime at sa 2x14 matrix. So, this is a passive income na you'll be qualified. Once you get qualified on your first 30 days, kasama ka na for life, no? Wala nang qualification yan. At 100 members lang ang pwedeng maging Prime Movers Club. This will be the shakers. So, ang ginagawa po ng iba ay minamaximize ang business plan. Ito yung strategy ng iba, which I highly suggest kung kaya naman, binibili na po yung 21 accounts na kailangan for the global bonus pool. So that's ang capital po nila ay nasa around 84,000. Magkakaroon sila ng 42 canister of barley. So that's 84,000 worth of product. So balik na po, pag naibenta nyo is balik na yung puhunan nyo and qualified na yung inyong top account, no? So aside from that, meron pa of course na mga instant or income, paglatag niyan or pag-activate, magkakaroon kayo ng up to 17,000 na gross income or ang net income niya nasa 13,000, no? So, pwede nyo nang withdrawin. So, most probably, nasa 70,000 na lang ang capital nyo. Then, qualified na for the global pool for life ang inyong top account. Now, paano ang pag-build ng strategy and the matrix structure? Ganito po ang magiging matrix structure ng inyong 21 accounts. You can allocate or PIF, pay it forward, yung 11 accounts, itong nasa pula, yung nasa ilalim, pwede yung allocate sa mga tao na gusto nyo tulungan or mga leaders na gagawin ang business. So, ang potential income niyan mula sa inyong 10 account na matrix bonus ay 212,000 at yung inyong potential sa matching bonus ay $425,000. Pinag-usapan natin dollars, ano? And you have a 10 brand new car kasi natira sa inyo 10 account plus your Powerline pay plan income. So, this is not a bad strategy if you have the means and you gusto mo tumulong sa mga tao and you really are using the product and gusto nyo mag-qualify immediately doon sa ating global business. So, right? So, that's how the compensation plan works or how the income or the compensation plan sa pagbibuild. Paano naman pag nag-purchase ako ng product? Di ba? So, hindi na package ang bibilhin ko. Bibili na lang ako ng product doon sa online shop. Mag-add to cart na lang ng mga product. Ang maganda po dito, sa ating membership, mula sa membership, each product na bibilhin mo sa ating membership creates an income center in our 5-stage Team Force Progressing 2x4 matrix that pays matrix bonus per position. So, meron tayong tinatawag na 2x4. Ibig sabihin, by 2s up to the 4th level. Ibig sabihin, the 4th level may 16 position dito at hindi mo kailangan mapuno ito dahil ang company ay nagbabayad individually dito sa 4th position. There are 16 position. Tandaan nyo po, bawat isa dito may corresponding amount sa progressing. And each income center or each product na bibilhin nyo ay pwedeng magbigay sa inyo ng maximum income potential of $43,000. Okay, 43,000, not bad. So paano yun? Now, once you purchase a product, halimbawa, bumili ka ng tatlong product. So may tatlo kang position, makikreate sa starter matrix. Tatawag natin starter. Dito sa starter, doon sa fourth level nyo, once na may na-activate dito na product, this could be spillover or purchases of your referrals, of your downlines, no? Or pwede ding sarili yung purchase. Alright? So, dito sa 16th position on the 14th level, tatanggap kayo ng $1 sa inyo at $1 sa sponsor. So, $1 times 16, $16 pwede nyo kitain total dito sa starter. And pag na-kumpleto itong 2x14 at 2x4 ay mag-auto upgrade or auto entry sa bronze matrix. Sa bronze ay 2x4 din. Ito ay progressing, ibig sabihin pataas ng pataas ang income na binibigay ng company dahil dito sa bronze, ang per position dito sa fourth level ay $5 na. So $5 times 16, $80 ang pwede mong kitain. And tandaan, ang sponsor ay may 100% or $80 din or kada kumikita ka ng $5, may $5 din si sponsor. Again, pag nakumpleto, auto entry to silver. Once na sa silver ka na, ang income na sa ating matrix sa fourth level ay $25 per position on the fourth level for a total matrix bonus of $400 na ang total mo pwedeng kitain. Again, the sponsor also earned $400 as 100% matching bonus and an auto entry to gold matrix. So pasok ka na sa gold. Dito po sa gold, $200 na per position in the fourth level ng matrix. Kaya ang total pwede mo kitain ay 3,000 at $3,200. Alright? Then, dito naman sa diamond, pag nakumpleto, pasok ang diamond, ay 2,500 na per position. Just imagine, 2,500, that's around 150,000, more than 150,000 kada position dito. Kaya ang total po na pwede yung kitain sa diamond ay 40,000 US dollars for a total income of 43,696 for each income center. Each income center is a product. Katumbas niya na isang product na binili nyo. So habang bumibili po tayo ng product, patuloy po napifill yung ating 2x4 matrix at tayo ay kumikita as matrix bonus and matching bonuses sa progressing 2x4 matrix bonus. Alright? So that's how you earn from the repeat purchases ng ating product sa ating membership. So make sure na patronize tayo, bumibili tayo ng product sa ating online membership. Nakasave na kayo at maaari pa kayong kumita ng as much as 43,000 per product na bibilhin nyo. So that's the power of our progressing 2x4 matrix. These are mathematically and na test na po ito na system. It's working fine. We'll just have to make it work for you. So this is our dashboard. Pasilip po sa ating dashboard. You will see your total income, yung available income, and their reactivation balance. Dito po sa reactivation balance, 5% ng ating income ay napupunta sa reactivation. Oras na umabot ito ng $50, mag-auto reactivate ang inyong account or ang account na inyong downline, ibig sabihin, papalo uli ang referral bonus, ang powerline bonus, ang matrix bonuses, and all bonuses. So, redundant, paulit-ulit ang inyong income sa ating organization. And makita nyo din dito yung available global bonus pool. Dahil nasa pre-launch pa lang tayo, ang global pool po ay around nasa almost $2,000 na. So, ibig sabihin, ilan pa lang po talaga tayo. Magsisimula pa lang and you are just on top or you have to join before the launch. All right? So, this is your Coach Edwin saying thank you. And if somebody, sabi nga ni Richard Branson, is the CEO, founder ng isang multinational company or which is sabi nga niya, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity and you're not sure you can do it, just say yes. Then learn how to do it later. Ang maganda po dito, you're not risking anything. You simply buy a product and there's a business attached to it. And you have the option to do or not to do the business. It's up to you. But we highly suggest invest on your health by taking barley, organic barley daily. Isama po natin sa ating regimen. All right, so that's it. Thank you, and kindly contact the person that shared this presentation to you to get started. You can register for free para po makita nyo ang ating platform. You can take a tour, basahin nyo, panoorin nyo yung mga video doon, and please join our Facebook group. We have a private community where you can communicate or you can share information and updates to you. All right. So thank you again. This is your coach, Edwin Ramos, saying God bless and hope to see you on our community.